Okay, sorry about that, we got cut off. Part 2. Okay, I was going to show the heater. This little guy from B&Q was like £30, really cheap. Goes 2000 watts and half power, 1000 watts. 2000 watts, it feels like a fire. You're standing next to a campfire. Really good. Really blows the heat out. Not like, doesn't blow it like a wind or anything, but really just warms you up really quick. Warms the room up really quick. It's not a small room. It's not sorry, it's not a big room. It's a small room. It is a very small room. Here we go, the kitchen area. Got my kitchen roll. I don't really like to use kitchen roll. I love to use it, but I don't really like to use it, the idea of it, because you know it's a lot of paper and I'm supposed to be eco minded. I am really, but yeah, so but it's just so handy to have, you know, and I've always kind of used it in different vans. So yeah, here we go. We've got I'll open that slowly, nothing will fall out. Got some spices there. It's hard to see them in this light, but so that's my spice rack. Usually they stand up, they fall over when I'm driving, but I'll set them back up. Then this one is the like peanut butter and kind of mustard or whatever cupboard, so there'll be more stuff in there going forward, but yeah, here's a sink and running water. That's really cool. That's so good to have for washing hands, like stuff like that, washing dishes. I've got my Carex product promotion. Got my toilet roll here for obvious reasons. Yeah, I'll just leave it at that. A little place to rest my phone when the bed's up. Some clothing cupboards there. This is a little no space. There's nothing really up here, but it's just to cover up the metal and stuff and the ugly bits and the wires and whatever. So it can be opened like and stuff put in there, but I generally don't do it. Maybe one day I'll find something that goes up there. My thermometer here tells us just very traditional, old school, because I'm old school. And here's my monitor for the electrics. It's a 3000 watt inverter. I'm not really going to show that in this video because it's yeah, it's like tucked away in a cupboard. So but this is really cool. You can like see what's you can see what power is, like percentage, 93% at the moment. That's pretty good. I did get a lot of sun today. The solar was doing a lot for me. There's no solar now because it's yeah, the sun's gone down. Sun's going down. There's my roof light while we're thinking about sun. It's really cool, and it pulls over like that. It's just the normal Heki. I think it's Dometic Heki roof light, Heki. Yeah, so it's really cool. You can really let some nice light in, see the trees, see the stars at night. Oh, it's amazing to watch the stars. Okay, part 3 coming up.